They wonder how I do it. How I did it from the hood to 2 stores. Ask me how I'm living. I know things a little different when you living check to check. Now I'm making boss moves, pay homage to a vet. Before I made it big, I had big dreams. Told my mama I'll be rich, I'll do big things. Ain't no sleep, I'm out here grinding. That pressure made a diamond. Look easy to you, but it's not what it seems. I was down bad, I can't give up. God on my side, I can't give up. Too much to prove, I can't give up. I ain't never pressed, put them haters all to rest. Cause I'm
Come on, girl.
Dad, I'm tired of walking. Maybe we should talk classic prayer.
You know what? I'm sure. Come on, let's go.
I'm Miss Classy, the owner of Classy Credit. I specialize in 30-day results, from collections to evictions to repos. Give me a call at the number below. I'll always make it happen.